Question number 11 says that the product of two numbers is 252. So A and B product is 252. Their HCF is 14. Now we know that for two numbers, the product of the numbers is equal to the product of HCF and LCM. Therefore, we can say 252 is 14 times the LCM. Hence, the LCM becomes 252 divided by 14. So it goes once and then 112, so 8. So the LCM is 18. So the answer is option A. Number 12 says the sum of 1100 rupees is divided among X, Y, and Z. X gets 2/5 of Z, so X gets 2/5 of Z, and Z gets 5/4 of Y. Okay, so we can just substitute all of them in terms of the same variable and add up to get 1100. So Z is given in terms of Y and X is given in terms of Z. So why don't we get X in terms of Y? So it is 2/5 of Z, which is 5/4Y. So that is Y by 2. So we have X, Y by 2 plus Y itself plus Z, 5/4. That's 1100. So Y by 2 is basically 2Y by 4 plus Y is basically 4Y by 4 plus 5Y by 4 is 1100. So 11Y by 4 is 1100. So that gives us Y to be 400. So asking for the value of Z. Z is 5/4 of. So Z is 5/4 of 400. So that is clearly 500 rupees. So option A. Next. It says 20 red boxes. So there are 20 red, 15 blue boxes. So and 25 white boxes. They have to be stacked in such a way that each stack has the same number. So what will be that number? That number must be a factor of 20, 15 and 25. So what's the common factor or the HCF of 20, 15 and 25? Clearly that is 5. Okay, this is 5 times 4, 5 times 3 and 5 times 5. Clearly the HCF is 5. So that means for the red, since there are 20 boxes, you will get 4 stacks of 20 by 5, 5 in each stack. So 4 stacks. For B it will be 15 by 5, 3 stacks. And here it will be 25 by 5, 5 stacks. So total there are 12 stacks. So answer option B. Okay, they're not asking how many in a stack, they're asking number of stacks. So not 5. Next, number 14. In a sequence of 3 consecutive odd numbers, the sum of 2 consecutive odd numbers is 15 more than the third. So consecutive odd means the gap is 2. So we take the numbers x, x plus 2 and x plus 4. Now it says the sum of the 2 consecutive odd numbers is 15 more than the third. So if I add these two, what do I get? 2x plus 2 is 15 more than the third. So what do I get? X this side. So 2x minus x. X is equal to 15 plus 4, 19 minus 2, 17. So x is 17. They're asking what is the second of those numbers. So 17 plus 2 is 19. So that is option A. However, you could have also said another possibility. It just says sum of 2 consecutive is 15 more than the third. So 2 of these is 15 more than this. If I do that and see, what do we get? 2x plus 6 is 15 more than x. That gives us x as 9. Our numbers could as well have been 9, 11 and 13. Where 11 plus 13, 24 is greater than 9 by 15. And here we have got 17, 19 and 21. Where 17 and 19 is 36, which is 15 more than 21. So both of them are possible. Obviously, only option A matches. Hence, that is the answer. 9, 11, 13 is not a part of the answer. 11 is not there in the answer choices. Okay. Number 15. The ratio between a two-digit number. So a two-digit number in algebra is using variables is written as 10x plus y, where x is the tens position, y is the units position. So this ratio of this and the sum of the digits is x plus y, that is 9 by 2. Simplify. 20x plus 2y is 9x plus 9y. That gives us 11x equal to 7y. Okay. So 9 goes this side. 11x equal to 7y. Right? So x over y is 7 by 11. Okay. Plus y, and the sum of the digits of that number is x plus y. The ratio is 9 by 2. So 20x plus 2y is 9x plus 9y. So 9 goes this side, 20 minus 9, 11. The 2y goes this side, 9 minus 2 is 7. X over y comes out to be 7 by 11. Now this is not possible because y cannot be a two-digit number. Y has to be a single digit, right? It's a two-digit number after all. Such a number is actually not possible. Okay. If I go by the options, option A, the two-digit number 89 divided by sum of the digits, that is 17. This is not 9 by 2. This is close to, but not exactly. 81 divided by 9. So 81 is the number. Sum of the digits is 9. Is 9 is to 1. So that's not 9 is to 2. 87. So that's 87 by 15, which is not 9 is to 2. 84 by 12. 8 plus 4, 12 is 7 is to 1. That's not 9 is to 2. So I believe that this should have been 9 is to 1. Okay. But the digit in the units place is 4 more than the digit in the tens place. That also does not match. That only matches for this 84. So I believe the ratio is wrongly mentioned here as 9 is to 2. So it should have been like 7 is to 1. Okay, so let me change the values. Let's say this is 7 is to 1 as the number. So we will now solve as 7 is to 1. Okay. So let me redo this calculation here. So what we have is, let us change it to 7 is to 1. And now we have 10x plus y. The sum of digits x plus y is 7 by 1. Cross multiply. 10x plus y is 7x plus 7y. 7 goes, x goes this side, y goes this side. So 3x equal to 6y. So x by y is 2 by 1. And we also want the digit in the units place. So that is y. So here, what is x by the way? 2y, right? So the digit in the units place, y, is 4 plus the digit in the tens place. It should be 4 less. So 4 less than the digit in the tens place. So that is x minus 4. So y is x minus 4, x is 2y. So that gives us y as 4 and hence x would be 8. So you would have got the number 84 in that case. But this is the general process, okay? So there must have been some typing mistake here. Instead of 9 is to 2, it is 7 is to 1 and this should be 4 less. And then it matches. Okay, let's move on to the next question. The sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 54 and the difference between the digits is 2. Which sum of the digits of a two-digit number cannot be more than 18. So there is no chance of being 54. So, and obviously they are asking like which of the following can be the number, cannot be 5, 3, 6 or 9. So what I believe is sum of the digits of a two-digit number is let's say 8. Okay, difference is 2. Which of the following can be the number? Obviously these are not the correct answer choices. just solve this question based on this data. So the 2-digit number, let's say, is 10x plus y. The sum of the digits means x plus y is 8. The difference between the digits x minus y or y minus x, we will have to take both cases. Now add them. So we get 2x equal to 10x is 5. X is 5, so y is 3. And here 2y is 5. 2y is 10, so y is 5. And hence x is 3. So your number is either 35 or 53. Okay, so this is how you would have solved it if the data were 8 and 2 instead of what was given. Let's go to the next question. If 1/8 of a number, so 1/8 of a number exceeds 1/12 of its number, 1/12th part, okay, n by 12, is 280. So you have to solve this. So the LCM is 24, so 3n minus 2n is 280. Clearly n by 24 is 280. So n will be 20 times 24. So 24 8s are 192. So we have a 0, then 19 carry. 24 those are 48 plus 19 is 67. So 720. So that is option A.